What is up, everybody? The Master Trader himself here from Trading Business Academy. Super excited here. I just want to quickly show you this strategy that is so powerful and it has yielded me a lot of money. And I hope you catch the concept and get to grow that small account to a big account. So basically, self-explanatory. If you can see from my ends right now, if you can see what's on your screen right now, you can basically see to say that okay, you can enter from there and ride with the market all the way up to there. So it's been using a 15 minutes time frame, which simply means it's a long trade. Yeah, because one candle is equals to 15 minutes. So I just want to quickly show you on what you need to follow in order for you to be profitable with this strategy. So to begin with, I'm just going to delete every indicator that I'm using and walk you through step by step on how you can set these same indicators. So you're just basically using two indicators, which is the relative strength index and the Ichimoku. So I'm going to delete them and walk you through starting from a plain chart so that you can know exactly how to go about it. So to begin with, you come on your indicator F there, a sign, and you come on your main window plus there. When you click there, you search for the relative strength index, which is this one. It will have the following properties that are showing on your screen right now. It will have the period of 1 applied to close, and the levels are very important. Put level 10 and level 90 as your level 10 as your buy zone or level, and level 90 as your sell level, and also put level 50 as your re-entry or your buy or re-entry or take profit level, and level 20 will be where you can anticipate to make a buy. When it reaches level 20, look out for the buy, but whenever it reaches 10, it's a must, you need to buy. So starting from level 20 going to level 10, that's a zone that you anticipate to make a buy, and starting from level 80 to level 90, that's a zone that you anticipate to make a sell. So your star will be black, and ensure that you use the same colors I'm using so that you might not be disturbed in terms of distracted. Yeah, so that's the thing. So when it comes to the style here, make it a plain so that it can match the background of your chart. So if you're using a black background, please ensure that you put it in a white background so that you can just do exactly the same thing I'm doing. So you have something like this that will be showing. You have something like this that will be showing. And for you people that have not yet joined our Telegram group, I don't know what you're waiting for. I give free signals in my Telegram group. It's free of charge. I don't charge for signals. I make money in the financial market while charging for signals. And for you that want mentorship and all that, I want only serious people. I don't really necessarily charge for mentorship, but I only want serious people. So you need to do my course. My course is a giveaway course. It's only at 1 USD. I just want to see your seriousness and how consistent you can be. So it has 10 lessons. These are not strategies, these are proper lessons about trading. I go detailed on how I trade, what you need to follow in order for you to actually become profitable in the financial market. So if you want to take your forex trading seriously and you want guidance and all that, click the first link in the description. It will take you to my course. Do the course. It's 20 lessons. It's only 1 USD. Just want to see how serious you can be and how serious you can take it. And from there, the moment you finish your lesson, you'll be taken to a WhatsApp group. That's where my mentorship is and everything. So that's the thing. So you don't enter into my mentorship without knowing anything about forex. That's the main reason to why I organized this course for you specifically, so that you walk through the 20 lessons and at least have some background and base of what forex is all about and how I trade, so that it will be much easier to have an interaction and a conversation with you. So that's a thing. And we are going to go again here to get our second indicator, which is the Ichimoku. We'll click on the indicator window one, and we are going to look for the Ichimoku. So it will have the following properties: the Kinken of 1, the Kunjen of 2, the spin B of 60, and ensure that you click on view so that it can show nicely. And here the Kinken saying it will be as your background, the Kunjen saying will be as your background, the Ichimoku spine will be as your background, which is white. So ensure that you put white here, you put white there, and you put white there. That is our background. And the up kumo will be green. Ensure that your up kumo is green and your down kumo is red. Please guys, do exactly the same colors that I am using. Use the same exact colors that I'm using. I come up with these strategies each and every day. Subscribe to the channel and hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a video. I come up with these strategies in order to help people that have small accounts to raise their accounts so that they can enter long trades that I am trading, signals that I'm posting in my channel, so that you can enter those signals. That's the main reason to why I come up with these strategies. So that's a thing. So basically it's self-explanatory. If you can check it out, it's basically self-explanatory. Yeah, so that's the thing. So you wait for it to be in your 20 and 10 level. So the moment it enters your 20, you anticipate a buy. The moment it touches your level 10, exactly at your level 10, it will be your peak in your main chart. You enter from there and you ride with it until you reach a 50%. If you reach a 50%, you can actually go out of the market. But for people that have enough capital, it's better off you hold your trades until it reaches the zone that is so important, your AET. The moment it reaches your AET, you anticipate for a buy, and the moment it touches there, you'll find that it will be there at the peak. Maybe probably you will not enter the peak there. You wait for it to turn into red. The moment it turns into red, it simply means we are now in a downtrend. So for people that do know price action and have done my course, you can easily lead such things in the market. So here you can easily lead, even for people that know basic price action, can actually see that this is head and shoulder, something like that, head and shoulder. And some people can easily see that this can be also Wyckoff as well, being formed here, yes, to some extent. So you can see all those things, and also you can actually see that there is a Quasimodo spin B being formed here. So that's the thing. So basically, if you have that price action information with you, plus in connection with this, you can easily make a lot of money. So that's the thing. So back test it, check it out, and use your demo account to start with before you can use your real account, and ensure that you use risk management. Grow that small account into something that's substantial, and ensure that you subscribe to the channel and join the big family, the Telegram family. If you want mentorship, do the course. Love you so much, and see you in the next video.